Hello everyone! Today I will be sharing how important sunlight is for optimizing your performance in everything that you do. While sunlight is known to be essential for having a healthy body and a healthy brain, most of us spend our entire lives indoors, and so we don't get enough sunlight exposure to reap its benefits. Our brain is supposed to release certain chemicals during the day and night that help us either stay awake or fall asleep. So exposure to sunlight causes the release of serotonin, which is responsible for stabilizing our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. And at night, due to darkness, our brain releases melatonin, which is responsible for helping us fall asleep and allowing us to restore ourselves for the next day. But due to the disturbances in our sleep cycle and our excessive use of electronic devices, our brain isn't able to optimally release these chemicals, which is why the absence of sunlight for prolonged periods leads to disorders or even cases of depression. A very helpful equipment for this is called Happy Light by Verilux. And these are therapy lamps that imitate sunlight in order to boost our focus, our mood, our performance, and our sleep. And these lamps actually give us all the benefits that sunlight does, but without the UV rays. In fact, Verilux has spent decades researching how we can replicate the profound benefits of natural sunlight in an equipment that you can use anytime and anywhere. Happy Light actually triggers the release of serotonin in your body, which allows you to feel your best throughout the day. This also resets your circadian rhythm, which allows you to sleep better and hence focus better during the day. And I will be making an entire video on the circadian rhythm and the importance of it very soon. Futuristic Learning's Institute actually uses this equipment in order to maximize our brain's potential, because when you use this equipment, you are exposed to healthy light, and hence you are able to experience better mood throughout the day, improved quality of sleep, increased energy levels throughout the day. You are able to focus better and pay attention at any task better, and it reduces those afternoon slumps that we have during the day. How do we use Happy Light? Well, the Happy Light comes in many different sizes. I have the more compact one, so I can move it around as per my convenience. You start by setting the light where you can be seated 1 to 2 feet away from the light for 15 to 30 minutes every day. This could be a table, your desk at work, or even your kitchen counter. Now, angle the light so that it is facing your eyes, but avoid staring directly into the light. Therefore, you can easily use this while you work, study, read, or even as you get ready. Now, you can turn it on and adjust the brightness according to your level of comfort. Personally, I have been using this for quite a while now, and I've seen that it has increased my energy levels and mood throughout the day, allowing me to study and work with my maximum productivity. It has also allowed me to sleep better and feel fresher in the morning, reducing that feeling of sluggishness as soon as I wake up. Overall, it's just made me feel happier because it is causing the release of those happy hormones in my brain and body. Of course, you can also just sit in natural sunlight for about 10 to 15 minutes before noontime to get the same benefits. Just remember to not sit for longer because the UV rays may cause damage to your skin. As soon as you make sunlight a part of your lifestyle, you will notice a positive change in your state of mind, in your energy, in your productivity, and your sleep, allowing you to perform at your best in everything. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful.